Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I want to invite you to hang out with me and check out the Zober 4-tier pant skirt hangers. They are so well made. It's a simple design, but you can tell just by looking at the metal, it is very strong. It is not easy to bend, and I just love how they made sure they put on these little silicone end of the metal so that you don't have to worry about it ripping, snagging any of your nice clothes. I recently bought a bunch of new slacks, and I really appreciated also that they had the silicone coating on the ends of the clips. It doesn't leave any impression or rip or snag. They come in a set of 3, so it doesn't matter if you have a few or many pants or skirts, or you're hoping to expand your collection. This really is going to help you to do that. And what is so great about it is that you can hang up to 4 pants or skirts and occupy only the space of one being hung up because it is vertical, it goes up and down. And the reason why I appreciate that is that I have a tiny closet. But I don't feel like that means I need to have less clothes. So I really appreciate anything that's going to save space and still be given the variety that I crave. They're so well made and just do such a great job accomplishing their main purpose in life. And that is allowing you to have all the wonderful, beautiful things without taking up as much space. I definitely recommend these, but that's just my point of view.